Joanna Lumley, 75, has spoken out with her thoughts on people tearing down statues of historical figures. In a new interview with Radio Times, the actress revealed that she doesn't support their actions. The 75-year-old had strong feelings about the debate around the toppling of UK statues. When asked about her thoughts, Joanna commented, "All our ancestors were linked with something, so you can't suddenly go, but I don't do that." She added, "If you eat sugar, you're probably eating sugar that came from sugar factories that were worked by slaves, and so it goes round and round." Lots of things were obviously reprehensible, the slave trade being one. You can't defend that. But there are different things that were done in the past which we can't change. We don't do them now because we wouldn't. Joanna, who is hosting a new 3-part ITV documentary series Great Cities of the World, where she explores the magnificent cities of Berlin, Paris, and Rome, said, "So, I don't know how much of the past you can smash up without finding that the wrecking ball has come very close to your own house." Joanna has recently also spoken about the distressing impact she feels the Netflix series The Crown has had on the royal family. She admitted she can't watch the show, because she knows quite a lot of the royal family. She continued, "I know how distressing it must be to have your life made up and then played out as truth." The absolutely fabulous star was made an OBE in 1995 and became a dame earlier this year, when she was given the honor as part of the New Year honors list. "Don't miss," Joanna, who is also a campaigner, said, "It comes as a complete and unexpected surprise and is the kindest and most beautiful present imaginable." She also received the BAFTA TV Fellowship in 2017. With a career spanning over 5 decades, Joanna has appeared in everything from Ab Fab to Coronation Street. Ab Fab, which also starred co-writer and creator Jennifer Saunders, originally ran between 1992 and 1996 and again from 2001 to 2004. A movie based on the popular show was released in 2016. In an unearthed interview, Joanna revealed that she had a nervous breakdown in her 20s, which resulted in her being forced to stop working for 6 months as a result. Joanna told The Times in 2016, "It was 6 months. It was a complete nervous breakdown. I was off for 6 months. I was pretty badly shaken up. My nerves were gone. I didn't dare go to the shops." Read the full interview in this week's Radio Times.